Hi, this is Kerry. I'm going to show you what we're doing on the gas tank and fenders today. I've got some previous video on the fenders and gas tank. This is what we cut off. We chopped this tank off, and then we cut that out of there, and I machined that. Just cleaned the edges up and made it completely round, so it's perfectly round. So that's all salvage. So now we're over here at the welding side, and this is the cap that's going on there, and we're about to weld that all in. So we're moving right along. Daniel's about to get after it.
Town Company, the Gold Group, 93.70 Arrow, and the Gold Group are conducting a special Cash for Gold event Thursday and Friday, October 29th and 30th from 8 a.m. until 8 p.m. at the Galleria area of La Quinta. Get the price you deserve. Walk in with gold and walk out with a check. Visit kkrw.com and enter the keyword gold for more information.
Hey, this is Kerry, back at the motorcycle shop. I think it's about episode 4. Show you what we're doing, what's going on, continuing some work on the fenders. This is front fender and rear fender, and the rivets kind of really just a design thing. It's not functional. So I laid this out. That's what it's going to look like, but instead of those brass or aluminum, there you go, we're going to use brass. It's actually copper. Zoom in on that. So that copper, it's going to stand out real nice. So here's some other projects. Oh, and there's my, by the way, there's my Knuckle Head Gloves I'll be using from Majestic Glove. They're one of our sponsors. Majestic Glove is a manufacturer. Check with us on our website and we'll be able to hook you up with as many as you want. So, oh, and they've got a great selection. So take a look, majesticglove.com. majesticglove.com. Here we go. Take a look at what's going on in the shop. That's the rear end and the front end and the shocks to this build. This is a build for an existing customer of Chrome Iron Cycles. Upgrading his chopper. That's the rear wheel for this project. And another project is that's the extended stretched rear end of a Buell. So they're also getting ready. There's 2 bikes that Chrome Iron Cycles has built that's going on the 20th November to a car show, bike show. That's the tank on this build that he's working on. That's another build in progress. There's a lot going on here at Chrome Iron Cycles. See us at chromeIroncycles.com. Okay, I'm using my Knuckle Head Gloves by Majestic because we're dealing with metal with very sharp, burry edges, and everything around here is sharp edges. Look at that. You can't see it. It's out of camera. Sharp edges everywhere. So we're using our Knuckle Head Gloves and our Majestic Glove. You didn't see the demonstration yesterday. Watch that. That's the Knuckle Head. Look. You see that? It doesn't hurt. That's the Knuckle Head by Majestic. So you brush sharp edges. Here's the Boy, that's a sharp edge. Right there. This is good reinforced, good metalworking gloves. Because that's nothing. You're busting a bolt. You got the wrench right there, and you slip. Watch this. It's just scratching it a little bit. These are great metalworking gloves by Majestic Glove. The Knuckle Head. Come on. Where you can see, you can use the zoom on Knuckle Head. Hey, this is Kerry. I'm going to show you a little battery box trick. We're here at Chrome Iron Cycles on the build. That's a train, by the way, in the background, that noise. Take a look at this. That's a ammo box, 200 round, 7.62. We're going to chop it. Battery fits perfectly in there. And we're going to chop it off here and move that to here. Same thing with the handle. Chop that little piece out. That battery will fit right in there. Here we go.
In 11 minutes right now. Dynamo playoff tickets up for grabs from Mix 96.5.
What'd you say?
Did I say to give you something there?
This episode of American Industrial Magazine Custom Bike Build has been brought to you by Massflow Technology, massive volumetric flow meter service and sales company in Baytown, Texas, and another location in Lake Charles, Louisiana. www.massflowtech.com